Welcome back, guys. CryptoFly channel. Today we'll talk about a POL, Matic, Polygon, with my customer said global updates. Let's dive in. All right, guys. Around here, I made a video about POL. It was a previous Matic ticker. God bless, we still got a Matic ticker USD crypto because we got a all chart, because on POL ticker, when you type in, you'll find just a fresh new one. And it looks like, oh, it's a brand new token, we have to go to the moon, right? But no, this is how the real chart looks like, and this is what you have to work with. So what is good now? And I repeat, when I made a video around here, with the updates, with the targets, POL performed pretty good one. And I marked the 27 block, and nobody believed in it. So when we traded $1, around $1, nobody believed in it, we will drop to the 27 block. But it is what it is, with updates or without updates, with rebranding or without rebranding. Guys, this is just a price delivery. So sooner or later, all these funds mostly will deliver the price target of their favorite tokens to the starting point or to the lowest point where it's more than okay for them, accumulate it back again. You remember how many partnership, how many updates, upgrades, and all of this stuff here. The Polygon team posted here. A lot of, we should skyrocket like this one. Do I believe in new all-time high? Technically, yes. Depends of what next meta, what next narrative will be around the Polygon. So this is a 27 block. I remind you, this one. You remember, around here I mark it, we will drop to the 27 block. So it's around 24 cents till 5 cents. Can we drop to the 5 cents? Of course we can. It's just rhetoric questions. Guys, everything possible in crypto, right? Any new war, for example, like between the India and Pakistan can start and we can crash it down like crazy. And after that, bounce like crazy. So guys, it's just a matter of time and we can't know the timing, right? So that's the point. But this is not a mistake if you believe in Polygon and Matic. This is not a mistake. Accumulate this token for investment if you believe in it. I totally don't care about Matic. That's why I accumulate totally another tokens. Why I totally don't care? Because I'm not sure about a new all-time high, right? And I remind you, even in December 2020, the price was around 2 cents. Now it's still 24 cents. Maybe if the POL will drop to the 5, maybe I will buy. Yes. So this is my zone level, let's say level of interest. So take a look, by the way, here. I mark the monthly, this one monthly gap, and we didn't test the 0.5 level by FIB of that gap. So it's 1160. It's 0.5 level of that monthly gap. It's not necessary, so we will drop and close that gap, but we can come back later. So for example, we got this liquidity pool, this liquidity pool, this liquidity pool. If we will recover back like this move, we cannot hit the new all-time high for Matic. And I repeat, we can see something like this story for the next cycles for many tokens. And we can come back later and drop to the 4 cents, to the 11 cents in the next bear market. And after that, recover back, form the global double bottom and hit, I don't know, around $6, for example. Yes, sounds weird, sounds incredibly, unexpected. But guys, market absolutely doesn't care what we're waiting for, right? So it's all about the whales game. And take a look, the liquidity pools. So I believe we will hit 76. I believe we're gonna hit $1.29 and $1.58. So $1.68. $1.68, it will be just a correction to this downtrend move. So that's the point, guys, because we build the order flow, pretty good one, order flow here. 1, 2, 3. Over these levels, there's a lot of liquidity, which sooner or later will come back and liquidate that, guys, who open short or, I don't know, press sell. So that's it, guys. Time for accumulation, 5 cents, 24. Build an average entry. If we will drop to 5 cents, I probably will buy the Matic. If this is not a pure scam, and something unpredictable will not happen with Matic. I mean, anything can happen. Like with the mantra, You know, who could predict so the mantra can dump from $9 to 30 cents just in a few days, and a few candles dump it. Of course, they explain it. It was just cascade liquidations. No, it's not, because somebody pressed sell by market, big amount of money. That's why, guys, if you believe in new all-time high, I think it's $4.05, 617. This cycle or next one, if the Matic will be still exist like crypto project, yes, $4, $6, it's more than possible to see. So that's it, guys. Zone of accumulation, we are now in around that zone. Take a look, guys, with my customer said, what's going on now? Here, this is accumulation. This accumulation, pump. This accumulation, we need to see the pump, so at least to 39 cents. But much better if we will hit this high, 77, and break this structure. You remember in last educational video, I posted about a boss. So technically the boss is here. Break of structure, I mean. Not a final boss, of course. This one. To break this structure, we need to see something like this one, for example. Drop correction. In theory, it can look like this move, for example. It can drop to, I don't know, from, it's hard to say how high we will pump. For example, $1, $1.12. Then drop in summer to 52 cents to 36. And bounce harder to the next high, because we will break the structure, local one. So this is going to be the logical re-enter into the POL. But of course, even now, you can accumulate and wait this target. But we can't know. You have to be ready for potential 80% drop. For example, like not 80, 76. And for potential 350% pump. So just in case. And after that, if we'll see this sweep, test, drop, it will be the confirmation. So we break the structure for the uptrend, local one. Next liquidity pool will be $1.28, $1.57. Now it's accumulation on direction indicator. This is a capitulation. So you could track by yourself last time how it playing out with capitulation zones. Money power, guys. Here was money outflow. We dump it to the bottom. No money inflow. Yes, worst case scenario, if in May, we will see the sell in May go away. Even without a break of structure, we can dump like this. Form the double bottom on money power. And finally, we'll see the money inflow by end of, I don't know, June or August. Now, no money inflow. Last money inflow was here. 1, 2, 3. 3 weeks in a row was money inflow. So now nothing. On the weekly, by the way. Trade on. No signal to buy. Last signal to buy was here. Buy, take profit, sell. Buy back. Now the week start with the buyback, but this is not a confirmed because this signal can disappear by end of the week. Take profit, guys. By the way, here's also I explained why. You can go and double check the main Boolean plan for this second one take. Second one, you can go and double check the video what I posted months ago. And we traded around here, around 21 cents, and we dump it. So I mark we can drop inside the block. Now we trade under fundamental value and take a look at the K point. The break of structure now, it's exactly the take profit line. So that's it. Exit line is 86 cents. So the positive case scenario, guys, we need to see something like this one. Maybe not to hit the $1. Retest and go higher. This will be the confirmation of the uptrend structure. Don't build so crazy complicated charts, guys. Don't make a lot of drawings on a chart. Everything's so simple. Here's a take profit line 76 cent 55, exit line 86 36. It's a full fill of weekly gap. That's it. Zone of accumulation here. What to do now? It's only up to you. So, guys, I hope you like this video. Write please in a comment what do you think about a POL. Will we hit the new all-time high or not? If you would like to trade with my customer what I showed in this video, just write me DM, subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button, don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.